subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi friends, Punjab National Bank invites online application from eligible candidates for filling up Specialist Officer posts, SO, Specialist Officer posts. So that is manager and senior manager level posts. So recently this PNB has announced this new job notice on 7th of this month, and that is 7th September 2020 for recruiting 535 vacancies. So friends who are seeking bank jobs in central government in public sector, so can use this opportunity and you can utilize this chance. So as per the new this PNB SY recruitment notification, around 535 vacancies are allotted for specialist officer cadre. So now eligible candidates can make the online registration from 8th of this month. So this online application process is already started. So now when it comes to last date, so this last date for the submission of this online application is 29th of this month. So already application process has been started, so the last date is 29th of this month. Now PNB recruitment regarding this recruitment notification and the recruitment online application links available in PNB career portal. These links also I have given in description section, and also I have pinned in the comment box, so you can find there also. Now let's see more on this first recruitment, what kind of posts are released in this notification and what are the education qualifications and eligibility criteria. So let's see now. When it comes to the name of the post, approximately 10 type of posts they have been released. About 200 people are recruiting as credit managers. If you look once a notification, now there are almost 10 type of manager level jobs they have released. So when it comes to salary also, we'll get around 50,000 per month after all kind of cuttings. So that is, we call it as net salary. And along with the net salary, we'll get a telephone allowance, paper allowance, petrol allowance, as well as house rent allowance also you will get. And if you see the number of vacancies, so under specialist officer category, so these 535 posts are really huge. So if candidates friends who wants to work in banking sector, so who studied in specialist category and courses like HR, civil and law, treasury, credit, risk, and this type of courses if you have done in any other from any other institutions, so this is a good opportunity to apply these kind of jobs. So when it comes to the age and education qualification, post qualification and work experience required, so you can read official notification PDF, that is much better to understand. So I'm giving this link in description section, and also I'm posting these links in comment box, so you can go through that link and download this official notification PDF and check it once. As far as this SY vacancy is concerned, the basic application fee for SC, ST and PWBD category 175 rupees, and for all other candidates as OBC and EWS candidates and general candidates 850 you have to pay apart from online charges, and that is GST online charges. Now when it comes to selection of this level, this exam, the selection will be through online test and interview. So merely satisfying the eligibility norms do not entitle the candidate to be called for test or interview. So the online test shall comprise reasoning, English language, quantitative aptitude and professional knowledge. So basically specialist officer recruitment exam will be of 200 marks for 120 minutes and covering these subjects. And mostly that above the test, except the test of English language, their remaining are will be available in bilingually, that is the reasoning, quant, professional knowledge will be available in bilingual language, that is English and Hindi, but English won't be available. Then there will be a penalty for also, so there will be a penalty for wrong answers marked in online test. So for each question for which a wrong answer has been given by the candidate, 1/4 or 0.25%, 1/4 or 0.25% of that question, and that marks assigned to that question will be deducted as penalty to arrive at corrected score, so that negative marking is there. So this we call it as negative marking for penalty. So this is selection procedure for this post. Friends, you can follow our channel in social platforms like Telegram, Facebook and Instagram. These links I have provided in description section. Friends, you can apply only for one post, so you can apply online only. That too, online process has been started as I told, as per the notification. So 29th will be the last day to apply through online, and no other mode of application will be accepted. And before applying, you should ensure that you should fulfill all eligibility and other norms so mentioned as per the notification, as per the advertisement. So you may visit PNB official website and you will get more details regarding this notification. And I hope friends, you got some basic idea through this video. So all the very best, and do study, prepare for the worst. Thank you. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my Invoting YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification to your mobile. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Jai Hind.